The conjugate method is a method where you are developing unique athletic qualities all at once. Max strength, hypertrophy, explosiveness, otherwise known as speed work. We're going to focus today mainly on speed work. Now, a lot of people think you have to squat, you have to deadlift, and you have to do bench pressing for your speed work. That's only applicable if your main goal is powerlifting. If your goal is athletics, strongman, things that typically don't use squat, bench, and deadlift year round, then your dynamic work can be whatever the hell you want it to be, as long as it's explosive. There are 5 methods that you can use either before your dynamic effort work. You could even replace it to be part of your dynamic effort work. It's just options for things that you want to develop. So picking your speed lift or speed exercise all depends on what your goals are. Box jumps. Now, I call it box jumps just because that's a popular type of jump, but it can be whatever jump you want. It can be a broad jump, single leg, double leg. Box jumps to me can replace either the squat or the deadlift when it comes to speed work. Probably more so the deadlift. I'm not saying it trains the same muscle groups, but I always tell someone, if you're deadlifting, find your optimal stance where you would do a jump from, and that should be your preferred deadlift stance. Now, box jumping is great for any athlete. It's a way you can fire all your muscles at once. You don't have to worry about setting up. Any type of jump would be great for speed work. Then we have sled drags. A lot of people think of sled drags to just be like a conditioning tool, something you're doing for long distances. But if you are stepping with intent with every stride and do it for a slightly shorter distance, you can count sled drags as some dynamic effort work, in my honest opinion. Anything where you are accelerating can be considered dynamic effort work if programmed properly. Then medicine ball throws. This can be something that you do for your upper body. Just one arm, 2 arms from the chest. You can even do it lying down on the floor. Just get a light medicine ball and throw that fucker as hard as you can to give yourself that explosiveness from your upper body. You could whip it at a wall, you can slam it on the floor. Anything that simulates a really fast push. Then there are plyometric push-ups. Now, a lot of people think plyometrics are jumping, and that's not true. Plyometrics are when the ground contact is very, very short. So you're almost bouncing off the floor. So what I suggest you do, you can maybe set up a band in a rack, or you don't have to, and just literally do a set of 5, and it's just like bing, bing, bing off the floor. Make sure the contact your hand has with the ground is as short as possible. This is a great exercise to even warm you up for a traditional upper body dynamic after workout, depending on your goals, of course. Then the last one, I have to throw the classics in: the squat, the bench, the deadlift. But I'm going to say you make sure that there's the right amount of weight on the bar. If you want to know what that right amount of weight is, cheap plug here, pick up my products. There's 3 ebooks ready for you. There's the whole system that you need to know about my version of the conjugate method. You will not be disappointed. So in conclusion, there's jumps, throws, sled drags, medicine ball throws, and then the classic barbell lifts with either low weight or barbell tension or band tension and chain tension.